Hello all, good morning. Welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a small mini store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. It's a home-based store. We are dealing with sarees and dress materials. So, following weeks we will be coming live thrice a week. So I will be just notifying you. Okay. So today I have some pure cotton sarees and some two sarees with the handloom collection. Okay, so the price is 850 for the cotton sarees and 1350 for the handloom saree. I will explain you the details along with the saree display. Okay, so I will move with the sarees. So these are all pure cotton sarees. Okay, it's a 80 count pure cotton sarees. Okay, we will be having the borders and the pallu with contrast. Okay, mostly it will be coming with magenta and purple shade. So this is the first saree. Okay, so this is the first one. You have the pallu like this. Okay, you have the pallu and the border in contrast, but the blouse will be self blouse. Okay, this is a blouse piece. You will be having the same design as like the saree with borders. Okay, so all of them are weaved. Okay, it's a thread work, and you have the embossed design in the saree as well. So you have the embossed design. It's a pure cotton saree priced at 850. So this is the first color. It's a dual shaded. It's a mustard with orange shade together. This is how the saree will be looking. Okay, it has a self running blouse with contrast pallu and border. So this is the first one. So this is how the saree will be looking. The price of this saree is 850. Okay, so same design, the same mango embossed design. I have two other colors. So the first one I have shown is a dual shade of mustard and orange, and the second one is a bottle green color with purple combination. So this is the second one. It's a dark purple combination. It's a bottle green color. Okay, so this is the second saree. Hope you can able to see the details correctly. So this is the second one, and the third color in the same design is a blue shade. So this is the one. Okay, this is a blue shaded one. All of them are pure cotton. It's a soft cotton. It doesn't need starch. Okay, it can be hand washed. It doesn't need starch. The fabric is very soft. It's 80 count pure cotton. It's a blue shade. It's a lighter pastel blue shaded one. Okay. I will be posting the pictures with real colors as much as possible in my page after the live show. You can refer to that also for clarification. So COD is available all over India. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost and the shipping cost. This is the second design in the same saree concept. Okay. Again, this has a dual color. It's a purple color. The base is a purple color. Okay. You have the embossed design. Okay. This is an embossed design with the borders, and you have the same magenta border. Okay, mostly the borders will be coming in magenta or purple shaded one. You have the fancy tassels also at the pallu for all the sarees. So you have the self running blouse. Okay, the running blouse is there. It's a self running blouse. The fabric is very soft. It's a pure cotton saree. Okay, this is the next saree. It's a purple color. It has a dual shade again. The fabric is very soft. Okay, you can easily pleat it. It's easily blendable. So in this design I have another color in yellow, mango yellow color. Just a minute. Mango yellow color with purple combination. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a mango yellow. Okay, so this is the saree. This is how the saree will be looking. You have the contrast border combination and the same kind of embossed design. So I will show you the closer look of the design. So this kind of embossed design you will be having in the saree. All of the sarees were priced at 850. Shipping charges is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is available across India. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost and shipping cost. Okay. This is the third one. Third design I am saying. It's a light parrot green with purple flavor. Okay, so you have the design. I will show you the embossed design. So you have this kind of embossed design in the saree. So this is the saree design. Okay, the fabric is pure cotton. It's very soft. It doesn't need starch. Okay, it's very soft. Hope you can able to feel the texture. Okay, so this is the next saree. You have the tassels in the pallu. The blouse is self blouse. So this is the blouse. You have the same design like the saree with borders. Okay. So this is the blouse and this is the saree. It's a light green. It's a parrot green with purple combination. These are the sarees I have in the pure cotton saree collection. So all of the sarees are priced at 850 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. So the next one is from a previous collection. This is pure handloom saree. It has the sequence work all over the saree and in the pallu we have the organza and gicha. Okay, I will show you the details. So all over the saree you have the sequence work. Okay, so hope you can able to see the sequence work. All over the saree you have the sequence work. It's a pure handloom saree, very soft in nature. Okay, and also it has a silky feeling together. And this is the pallu, contrast pallu. The pallu is organza. So this is the organza pallu. It also has the sequence work and also it has the gicha work. Okay, in the pallu you have both the organza sequence and gicha work. Gicha patti is given in both the corners of the pallu to beside the organza. Okay, and the blouse piece is contrast. So this is the pallu. And the blouse is contrast. It's a plain pinkish pallu with golden zari. It's a zari styled one. Okay, it's a zari styled border. You have the mild 2-inch border in the both the corners. Okay, and you have the fancy tassels also. This is priced at 1350. It's a pure handloom saree with full sequence work. Okay, full sequence work. The pallu I am saying again is organza pallu. The pallu is organza with gicha patti in both the corners of the pallu. Okay, with sequence work. In the pallu also there is sequence work. Only the blouse comes with plain, just the borders. Okay, this is the saree. This is a pure handloom saree priced at 1350. Okay, it's a beige with pink combination. The same design I have in a brighter color combination also. It's a mango yellow with maroon shade. Okay, it's a mango yellow with maroon shade. So you have the organza pallu. Okay, it's a organza. It's a pure organza pallu, soft organza with gicha patti, and the blouse is a maroon one. Okay, and the saree is a yellow, mango yellow. So it will be a little brighter. So the price of these two sarees are 1350, 1350. Actually there is some color variation in this particular saree. So please refer to the pictures which I will be posting in my live shows. Which will be posting in my page Sri Purnima. So these are the collections I have for today. By Wednesday I will be coming up with another set of saree in the same timing. Okay, so here onwards we will be try to giving 3 times live over the week. Okay, so we have new collections coming up. Okay, that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Please like our page to follow our new collections. Resellers are also welcome. Resellers will be having some decent margin. So in the group only, please resellers alone, please join in the group whichever we have mentioned. So if customers need any updates, please WhatsApp me. I will be sharing you the details of all the one. So if someone wants to see all my collections, please refer to my WhatsApp catalog. If you check my WhatsApp profile, there will be a field name as catalog. So all my collections are listed in there. So you can check all my collections there in a single click. So that's all, guys. Please like and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.